Welcome to our channel, where we take you on epic adventures to some of the most stunning destinations on the planet. And today, we're excited to invite you on a journey to one of Europe's most breathtaking countries, Norway. Prepare to be captivated by the majestic landscapes, immerse yourself in the rich culture, and bask in the warm hospitality of this Nordic nation. Whether you're an avid nature lover, a history buff, Norway has something for everyone. But this is just the beginning. If you want to join us on future trips and be the first to know about our upcoming destinations, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And, as always, we want to hear from you. Tell us in the comments where you'd love to see us explore next. We're always on the lookout for new and exciting places to visit and can't wait to hear your suggestions. So, sit back, relax, and enjoy this incredible journey to Norway, a true gem of Scandinavia. Norway is a beautiful country situated in northern Europe. It is known for its stunning scenery, including mountains, fjords, and glaciers, as well as a high standard of living and safety for foreigners. Norway offers an unforgettable experience to all who visit, with many attractions and activities available throughout the country. Standard of living Norway consistently ranks high in international rankings of quality of life, with a strong welfare system and a high standard of living. The country is known for its clean air, pure water, and beautiful landscapes. In addition, Norway is a very safe country, with low crime rates and a welcoming attitude towards foreigners. Safety rate for foreigners. Norway is one of the safest countries in the world, with a low crime rate and a high standard of living. The Norwegian government takes the safety of its citizens and visitors seriously, and crime against tourists is extremely rare. However, visitors are still advised to take basic safety precautions, such as keeping an eye on their belongings in crowded areas and being aware of their surroundings. Tips for enjoying the trip. There are several things to keep in mind when planning a trip to Norway. First, it is important to dress appropriately for the weather, as it can be unpredictable even in the summer months. Second, Norway can be an expensive country, so it is important to budget accordingly. However, there are ways to save money, such as using public transportation instead of renting a car, and staying in hostels instead of hotels. The best time to visit Norway depends on what you want to see and do. The summer months are the most popular time to visit, with long days and mild weather. This is also the time when most of the tourist attractions are open. However, if you want to see the northern lights, the best time to visit is in the winter months, when the nights are long and dark. Ways to travel. There are several ways to travel around Norway, including by car, train, and bus. Renting a car can be expensive, but it gives you the freedom to explore at your own pace. Norway also has an extensive train network, with trains running between major cities and towns. Buses are another option, with frequent services between towns and villages. Most important destinations and wonderful places in Norway. When it comes to tourist destinations, Norway is a treasure trove of natural beauty and stunning landscapes. From the fjords to the mountains, the country offers something for everyone. Here are some of the most important places and wonderful destinations for tourists in Norway. Oslo, the capital city of Norway, is a must-visit for tourists. It's a city that offers a mix of modern and traditional experiences. You can explore the Royal Palace, visit the museums, or take a stroll along the harbor. Bergen, this city is known as the gateway to the fjords. It's a charming city that's surrounded by mountains and the sea. Visitors can take a funicular to the top of Mount Fløyen for stunning views of the city and the surrounding area. The Norwegian fjords, the fjords of Norway, are some of the most beautiful natural landscapes in the world. Visitors can take a boat tour to see the fjords up close and experience the breathtaking beauty of the mountains, waterfalls, and glaciers. Lofoten Islands. These islands are a popular destination for those seeking outdoor adventures. The rugged coastline, stunning beaches, and picturesque fishing villages make for a perfect backdrop for hiking, fishing, and kayaking. Tromsø, located in the Arctic Circle. Tromsø is a great place to experience the Northern Lights. Visitors can take a cable car to the top of Mount Storsteinen to get a panoramic view of the city and the surrounding mountains. Geirangerfjord. This fjord is one of the most popular tourist destinations in Norway. Visitors can take a boat tour to see the towering cliffs, cascading waterfalls, and quaint farms that dot the landscape. Preikestolen. This cliff is a popular hiking destination in Norway. It offers a breathtaking view of the Lysefjord and the surrounding mountains. The midnight sun. The midnight sun is another natural phenomenon that can be seen in Norway during the summer months. It's a unique experience where the sun never sets, and visitors can enjoy 24 hours of daylight. In conclusion, Norway is a wonderful tourist destination that offers a high standard of living, safety, and an abundance of natural beauty. Visitors can enjoy a range of outdoor activities, explore charming cities, and experience unique natural phenomena. With a variety of transportation options and a welcoming culture, Norway is a must-visit destination for anyone seeking an unforgettable travel experience. Thank you for joining us on this unforgettable adventure to Norway. We hope you enjoyed exploring the beauty and charm of this Nordic gem with us. If you want to see more exciting travel content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, so you don't miss any of our upcoming adventures. And, if you've already visited Norway, let us know about your experience in the comments below. We love hearing from fellow travelers, and your insights might just inspire us for our next trip. Until next time, keep exploring, stay curious, and never stop discovering new and exciting destinations. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.